Hello, my name is Shaylin. I'm going to be doing a review on a breast pump, an electric double breast pump. Because I know there's a lot of first-time moms like myself that have questions about it, that would like to see the product a little bit more before you make the purchase. I wasn't too sure if this was the right choice for me. I mainly chose it because of the color. It is a pink and gold color. Let me show you real quick. This is the electric double breast pump by NCVI. I mainly chose it because it is a beautiful color. Look at that, the pink and the gold right on that. And then of course the top is basically like a mirror. It is very clear and gorgeous. So you just press right here, this circle. It will turn on. And it'll tell you how many minutes you've been pumping for. Down here, up here, it'll tell you your battery life. Up here, so if you press the positive button right here, it goes all the way to 9, level 9. And then you can also go back down if you don't want that. And then just press and hold. It will automatically shut off. There we go. And if you just want to pause it, you can just press it quickly like that and it'll pause on its own. I'll also show you what else they have. Okay, so this is the charger for it. It goes into the charging port. There you go. It also has two different if you want to pump simultaneously on both sides. If you just want to pump on one side, that's fine as well. This is only for if you want to pump on one side. This is when you want to pump simultaneously. All you do is pull this out if you only want to do one side. There we go. And then cover the port just like so. But you can also do both sides if you want. It also comes with a nipple size measurement card guide. Let me go ahead and flip the camera around so you can see it. Okay, so this is the card right here. Nipple size measurement. You basically put it over it. It'll tell you what size you are, where it fits comfortably. And then whatever size you are right here, it'll tell you what size cup to use or flange. Basically, pretty easy tool. It will help you. It also comes with a bottle like this by NCVI, 4 ounces, 140 milliliters. It comes with the lid and the nipple and a cover for it just in case. And it also comes with this handy dandy stand, I guess you can say. Just basically put it in there and I'll basically hold it if you don't have a good place to store it for now. So this is what it comes with. Really nice stuff. It does come with 2 as labeled on the bottle because it does come with two bottles. And of course all the different nipple sizes, and it comes with a second set of cover. There we go, just like so. Alright. And it's easily able, you can put it together pretty easily. So it connects just like this. These all come apart. There's a cup in here, and then there's also this right here. So you put it in there. You put the cup thing in here, silicone cup, and the lid. You just put it on, and the port goes into here. And it's easily to take apart if you want to wash it. Of course, you're going to want to wash it. So I really hope this help you decide on purchasing this item as a first-time mom, because it really helped me. As I said, I mainly bought it for the color, but the more I used it, the more I realized it's actually really functional and it's actually really easy to use. And I pretty much rely on this 24/7 because I pump every 2 to 3 hours. And I really love this, so I would definitely recommend this for new time moms. Alright, you guys have a good